Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda, currently saying things, and I have a whole lot to say about what's in this big bad boy. Such a naughty, naughty boy. It's a Christmas Advent calendar from Look Fantastic, and there's 25 things in here with a value of $514, and I'm going to do my best to unveil them. I don't have a lot of room to pull the whole box out, so... Space is at a premium right here. So I'm going to put this in my lap and pull things out. I hope you approve of that method, the pull-out method. The first thing I have here in drawer number 1 has a silica gel pack, and it is wrapped up. And it is a palette. It's 9A Always Golden. And it's a Morphe palette. Let's take a look at it. And this is my first Advent calendar as an adult. So this is kind of exciting. And then a little Morphe palette, how adorable. And it's just a good basic neutral palette. One of you may be seeing this in the future giveaway because I have plenty of neutrals. But that's a great start. And that is number 1. I guess I'm going to start a stack. I didn't plan this out very well, but you don't mind. You're just here for my love and humor. And this is number 2. And it's Living Proof, Perfect Hair Day, PhD, 5 and 4 styling treatment. Add strength and shine to locks. With this formula, it smooths and volumes and coordinates with heat protection to 230 degrees Celsius. And this is also wrapped up in paper. It's like a little event in each drawer. And that is a really nice deluxe sample size. So that's really cool. And number 3. Number 3, it's a Kodali or Kodali Vano Pure Clear Skin Purifying Toner. And I always need a little toner, which is great. My table is going to be so freaking full. It's already full. I have very limited space to work with here in the domicile. Number 4 doesn't have a card, but this is, oh, it does have a card. Number 4, it's 2 Luxie brushes and can create stunning eye makeup looks with these ergonomically designed and expert eye tools. It says you'll effortlessly apply makeup. And I love Luxie brushes. And this is just a nice little brush. Another little tiny brush, which is great for inner corners. Cool. Number 5 is right here. It is heavy. And it's card. Oh, it's Elemis. Very nice. Clinically proven. It's Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which is fancy. Clinically proven to reduce the appearance of fine lines, increase moisture levels in the skin. It's a revolutionary anti-aging product. And this is a decent size. This is a very good size. This is almost full size. It might be full size. It's really big and heavy. Fantastic. That is really nice. Number 6. Just way up top. And here is the card. And it's Illamasqua Nude Collection Lip Liner. I don't think I have to explain the lip liner to you. And it's sealed for our protection, and it's a very nice nude color. Very cool. We get a lot of Illamasqua in our boxes from Ipsy and BoxyCharm. Number 7. Oh, here's the card for it. It is Rituals, which I love Rituals. Rituals is amazing products. And this is the ritual of Ayurveda dry oil. And restore your inner harmony with this deeply nourishing hair and body oil that hydrates from head to toe. Infused with Indian rose and sweet almond oil. Relaxation with this pampering dry oil. Apply to hair and body. Oh, that's cool. And it's, let me smell it. It's number 7. Oh, it smells delightful. This is going to be super nice. I don't have any body oils, and I love stuff by the Rituals. Number 8. Here's the card. And it is Philip Kingsley, a super moisturizing and highly concentrated formula. This cult hair mask. Oh, I need hair masks. Smooths individual hair strands to incredibly silkiness. Apply to damp hair before shampooing. And this is a very nice deluxe sample. There's at least a couple uses, even with all my hair. Very cool. Oh. Looks like the card for number 13 is running away. We'll get to that eventually. That's 8. Number 9. I can't see the card for number 9. Maybe it's still in the box. Number 9, and this is an Oskia Renaissance Cleansing Gel. Purify skin with this non-foaming cleanser that restores radiance and leaves skin soft and supple. Very nice size. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't get a bunch of Advent boxes because I would have so many little things. I already have so many little things. Number 10 is in a bigger drawer. Oh my God, it's awesome. First facial radiance pads from First Aid Beauty. I love First Aid Beauty, and I have a sample of those pads. Give the complexion a natural, healthy glow with these gentle exfoliating pads. It's awesome. Very nice. This is like full size, I'm pretty sure. Number 11 is a smaller drawer, and it is Advent Skincare Moisture Surge Overnight Treatment. Wake to youthful skin with this overnight treatment with antioxidant rich formulas. And this is a really nice size, and Advent is a very nice brand. 12. We're almost halfway through. The 12th day of Christmas. This box gave to me Prai, P-R-A-I, throat and décolletage cream. So it's specifically for the throat and décolletage, my very sensitive areas. And I do use a separate cream on my décolletage than I do on my face. So that's super cool, and that's a nice size. I know that's not full size, but that's a nice size. 13. Lucky 13. Oh, it just went flying out. Because it's a wee thing. Let me get rid of some of these papers. I know I've got number 13 on the table already. 12, 11, 13. Lord & Berry eyeliner. We don't need to have a description about eyeliner. It's just a black pencil eyeliner, no biggie. 14 is up in the corner. Oh crap, it's all flying out. And this is Melo Cosmetics Liquid Lip Paint. And we know all about liquid lip paint. I should be unwrapping it, but I'm holding the box in my lap. And let's see what color. Oh, it looks like it's a dark wintry color. Oh no, it's a really pretty neutral. That's nice. I like that. And that is full size. I'll quit struggling with it. Number 15. is Rhodial Dragon's Blood Lip Mask. Very cool. We all know what a lip mask is. And this is like just a big packet of lip mask. That's more of a sample size. Number 16. Where's number 16? It's right here. It's one of the bigger drawers. And the card fell into the box. And this is Molten Brown Fiery Pink Pepper Bath and Shower Gel. Ooh, that is fiery pink. And we know all about shower gels. Trying to get the drawer back in the box. There we go. Number 17 is one of the smaller drawers. And it says that it is Emma Hardy Moisture Boost Vitamin C Cream. And this is a nice deluxe sample size, and it's good for your face, because that's what vitamin C cream does. It's anti-aging for your face. Number 18. I like how they have the little cards with everything. And this is Neal's Yard Remedies Wild Rose Hand Cream. I bet you it smells just like wild roses, and this is a really nice size. We're getting close. Number 19 is up in this corner. And it looks like the card is in the box. I don't know if I can get it. I don't think I can get it. Let's just see if I can figure it out. It's wrapped up tight. It's a wee thing. Oh! It looks like it is some kind of serum. EGF serum. So we all like facial serums. Pretty sure that's what that is. The card is lost to the ages. Number 20. It's an Ico Lash Alert Mascara, and we've had Ico mascaras like for 100 years in all kinds of boxes, and this is just a little sample size. But there's some really good stuff in here. Number 21 is up top. Can't get to that card either. I'm sure I can figure this out. And this is a Delilah Brow Groom double-ended eyebrow groomer. So let's take a look at that. We always love brow stuff. And there's a spoolie. And then there's the brow stuff. And it looks like it's in a brownish taupe color. Very nice. I can always use more brow stuff. Keep that out of the box. 22. And this has a card that I can find. And this is Bubble Tea Limited Edition Bath Bomb. I don't do baths, but this will be great in a future giveaway. And it's in a little star package, and there's just 2 little bath bombs in there. Very cute. 23. There it is. And here's the card, and it's a Philorgia mask, miso mask. Improve appearance of skin with this anti-wrinkle lightening face mask. And this is a tiny sample size. This is pretty exciting. That's nice. That's good for travel. I can take that on my vacay. I might be back from my vacay by the time you see this. I don't know, because I'm pre-recording just to make sure I have plenty of stuff while I'm gone. Number 24 feels hefty. And this is, it's Sleek Makeup. It's a highlighting palette in Solstice. And Sleek is not a bad company. I've liked their things that I've had before. And it looks like this. And it's sealed on both ends. Here are my scissors. Let's take a look at this. I have a lot of highlighters right now, so I'm not sure if I'm going to put this in a giveaway or keep it. It's real pretty packaging. And that is what the highlighters look like. Very pretty. Sleek. So the last one is the biggest, is as big as the first one. Oh, it's trying to stay in the box. And the 25th day has a gold. And here's the card. And it says, oh my God, what is this word? Omorovitsa, Vitska, Queen of Hungary, Mist Limited Edition. Rejuvenate the complexion with this weightless mist infused with nourishing blend of rose, sage, and orange blossom waters. Refreshing and hydrating, this mist can be used as a post-cleansing tonic or as a revitalizing daily spritz. So I'm going to try this out. And I put this big ass box down. And it's heavy too. Ooh, super fancy bottle. Let's take that lid off. Ooh, that's a good mister. Wow, it smells really herbally and really light. I'm totally loving this. It smells amazing. If you don't like it for your face, it's a good room scent. So that's it. That is my 25 Days of Christmas Advent Calendar from Look Fantastic. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed unboxing it. And I think the best thing in this whole thing is this Elmer's cream. And then the First Day Beauty, and then, you know, so many other good sample and deluxe sample sizes things. But this is totally worth it right here. But it was a $514 value. Do you think I got my money's worth? It was $99 Advent calendar, and I got it on sale for like 80 something. So, never pay full price unless you have to. That's my motto. But thank you so much for being with me here. Like, comment, subscribe. So happy to have had you today. And have a great day or the day of your choice. And we'll see you soon.